Hi, I'm Faith, and today is day 17 of Flylady's 31 baby steps for getting your home and life in order. We'll continue working on the previous habits for our morning and before bed routines. I made sure to list all these steps down in the description. And a Flylady tip is to not wait until you're ready to go to bed to start your before bed routine. Start your before bed routine right after dinner and keep it simple. Today, Flylady wants us to think about what time we're going to bed each night. We need to set a specific bedtime and stick to it. Quote by Flylady, "Getting in bed at a decent hour will help you feel less stressed." I also searched the topic on getting enough rest, and when you get enough rest, you maximize problem-solving skills, concentration, productivity, and you enhance your memory. Poor sleep can drive to chronic diseases, including heart disease, stroke, and depression. And personally, when I don't get enough rest, I'm usually a cranky mess. So today's step is a great reminder for everybody to make sure we're getting plenty of rest to keep our bodies healthy and energized. I've been a night owl as long as I can remember, and the last couple weeks I've been trying to go to bed earlier, which means that sometimes I skip washing the dirty dishes and shining my sink before bed. Like I said earlier, I'm taking these baby steps with you, trying to build one habit at a time. And I don't always get all of these steps done, which is okay because I start over the next day and keep doing the best that I can. Click the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more homemaking videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye.